Hey everyone, this is Professor Eskew. Welcome to Business 150, Human Relations. I know we don't officially start the class until tomorrow, but I wanted to get this and hopefully one more video out to you today. First of all, I just wanted to check in with you, see how you're doing. Hopefully you're doing well and you're staying safe during this pandemic and getting things going. So, um, what I wanted to tell you is a couple things in this video. One, if you need an access code for the ebook and Connect, which is our homework module, please email me as soon as possible. I still have a few codes that the publisher was kind enough to provide for me. So if you need those, and you will need those in order to access your homework in this class, let me know as soon as possible. Okay. The second thing is I wanted to, as you can see in the background here, I am in Canvas in the student view. So I'm going to minimize myself here. Okay. So here I am on the home page. What I wanted to do is simply ask you to do this. Go out to assignments. And I see these aren't in very good order. I will correct them. But down here where it says, so search for Connect Smart Book Orientation videos. When you click on this, it's going to take you over to Connect. And so here you would come in, you would put your email here, and then you would click Begin. And then it's going to ask you for your code. Put your code in there and you will start. But what I'd like for you to do is make sure that you complete this Connect Smart Book Orientation video, because it's going to tell you how to maneuver through Connect in your e-textbook. It's also going to tell you how to do your different assignments in Connect. And the most important thing I want to leave you with that, and the video is going to reiterate this as well, is that I need you to make sure that when you submit, when you complete something, save it and then ultimately submit it. If you don't hit submit, it won't go into Connect and I won't be able to see it to grade it. So please make sure that you do that, okay? So the next video that will be coming down the pike is we'll be going over the syllabus with you. If you have any questions, make sure that you click over here, the inbox. If you click the inbox, oh, I'm in student, so let me get out of here. But if you click inbox and you come right up here, you can compose a new message. You would select your course, which I have a whole bunch of them, but here's ours. And then you would just select me and then type in whatever your message is, okay? And then click send. So if you have any questions or comments or concerns, please reach out to me. Like I said, I will be doing another short video here in a little while, going over the syllabus. It'll probably also embed it in the course so that if you don't see it today, you can pick it up in the course. So take good care of yourself. I hope this helps a little bit. And please make sure that, like I said, that you do that Connect assignment video, orientation videos, so that you can get comfortable with the homework. Take good care of yourself, and we'll talk to you soon.